Alright, so you've installed WordPress, you have your domain set up, everything set up, you're ready to build your first website, but it's not ready yet, and you don't want people to have access to it because you are now designing it. Or you have the website already, but something is wrong. You want to restructure the whole website, but you want to put it in maintenance mode, just like building a house, and then you want to do renovation for your house. So how would you put it in such a way that people will not have access to it? And that is what we're going to talk about today. My name is Kobe, and welcome to Kitech Digital. So in today's video, we're going to talk about how to put your website in a maintenance mode, or how to put your website in a coming soon mode, depending on what you want to do. So in a maintenance mode, your website was active already, and then now you restructuring it or something is wrong, so you are putting it in a maintenance mode so that you work behind the scenes. Or in a coming soon mode, there's a new website that you are building, but you're still in the process of setting it up, but you have your domain, everything connected to your hosting and other stuff, and then you don't want people to have access to it until you are fully done with the website. So you want to put it in a coming soon mode. Now that is what we're going to talk about today. So let's log into our dashboard, WordPress dashboard, and let's start. Now before we go, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like and share the video. We're building a community together, so we're helping each other. I don't know anything, I don't know much, but what I know, I'm just putting it out there for everybody to get it. So don't forget to share the video, don't forget to subscribe, and let's build the community together. So I will hop into my dashboard over here. Yeah, so this is my dashboard. There's a new website that I'm building. I call it music.kitechsolution.com, and it's all about music. So to put your website in a maintenance mode or in a coming soon mode, we're going to install a plugin. So we hover onto our plugins over here, and then we go to add new. We click on add new. Now we have the plugins page open for us. Now we have to search for a plugin called, just type in maintenance, and we're going to search for coming soon page, maintenance mode, and landing pages by Seed Pro. So there are so many of them, but this is what we're looking for, this one over here. Now as you can see, it have 1 million plus active installation with 5-star review, so it means that it's a very good plugin. So all we have to do is click on install now, and click on activate to activate the plugin. Alright, so now our plugin is activated, as you can see over there. So all what we need to do is to set the page, or put our website into the maintenance or the coming soon mode. Alright, so let's click on pages over here. Let's click on pages over here, and then see all the pages that are available. So we are going to use this two options over here. One is coming soon mode, sorry, and the other one is maintenance mode. So with the coming soon mode, that is our website is fresh, and then it's now, we are about to launch the website, so we put it in the coming soon mode. And the maintenance is just maybe we are doing some small works over the website was live, but then we want to do some small works on the website, so we put it in the maintenance mode. So let's set up a coming soon page over here. Let's set up a coming soon page over here for this one. So it's going to take us to the template over here. Now we're just going to choose a simple one. Now some of all these things are free, some of them are pro over here, but if you like some of them, before you can get access to it, you need to subscribe over here. You need to just subscribe and get 10 free templates. Okay, so I'm just gonna use this simple one, which is the coming soon, very simple one. Yes, so this one. Okay, so I'm not gonna write anything, just coming soon, get ready, something cool is coming. Yeah, so that's it. So then I'm gonna click over here, near the save we have a drop down arrow over here. When you click on it, there is a publish over here. I'm gonna publish it, and then now the website has been published, so we can see it live. So we can close it, and then even though it is published, it is not activated. So as you can see, it is what, inactive over here. So we can click over here and make it what, activated, active. So we can activate it, and at the moment you activate it, you can see that there is a coming soon mode active over here. Now when I open this website in a new incognito, you will see that let me open the website in a new window for you. So let's say music.kitechsolution.com. So let me hit enter. Now you see the website is in coming soon mode. That is it. So that is how you can put your website in a coming soon mode. Now let's go back and then take it off from the coming soon mode, and now let's use the maintenance mode rather instead of the coming soon mode. So I'm going to deactivate it. I'm going to deactivate it and make it inactive. So you see it is gone. It is gone. I'm going to use the maintenance mode over here. So I'm going to edit the maintenance mode. Yeah, so let me go to the page setting, and let me see if I can choose a template from here. Yeah, I can choose a template and then choose this template. Yes, so we're gonna use this one as the the maintenance mode, and then we can go. Yeah, it's already published already, so we can just save it and close it. Now we can click on inactive over here and make it active. So we want to make it active, so we switch it from here to here, from inactive to active. It's now active. So you see it is in maintenance mode. So when we still go back to the new incognito and then refresh it, it's gone to maintenance mode instead of the coming soon mode. So guys, this is how you can turn your website or change your website from normal to either maintenance mode or coming soon mode, so that people will not be able to access it until you grant the permission for people to access the website. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.